Hey everyone, today we're cutting your Klaviyo bill by focusing only on your engaged profiles instead of your entire active list. This aligns your plan's cost with your true deliverability needs. First, check current billing and profile counts. First, determine your current expenses and the size of your audience. Access billing, click your store name, bottom left corner, settings, billing, to note your current monthly charge. Understand profiles. Remember, active profiles are all emailable contacts, but engaged profiles are only those who have opened, clicked, or visited your site within a chosen time window, for example 30, 60, 90, or 120 days. Next, segment and count engaged contacts. We need an accurate count of your engaged audience to select the correct plan tier. Create a new segment. Build a new segment with criteria opened, or clicked, or site visited in the last 30, 60, 90, 120, or 180 days. Count contacts. Note the count of contacts in this new engaged segment, for example 4,000. Choose and switch to the right plan. You will now select a cost-effective plan that matches your engaged count. Select tier. Choose a plan tier that accommodates your engaged contact count. For example, if you have 4,000, choose the 5,000 tier. Confirm send capacity. Verify that the plan's monthly send capacity, example 5,000 times 10 campaigns equals 50,000 sends, exceeds your expected campaign volume. Switch plan. Use the Change Plan option in the Billing tab to confirm the new, lower pricing, like $100 per month. By aligning your plan with your engaged profiles, you maintain good deliverability and significantly lower your monthly expense. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.